guys, it's Pep on the Woods. Kerry Woolbright and I are out today. It's been rainy. When this rain's over, it's supposed to turn a lot colder though. But it's damp, it's dreary. But it's okay. We're gonna do a little drive and stop at some things along the way and pretty much stay in the vehicle a lot today. But right here, first thing is there's a little arch called Kilbear Arch that I've never seen, that we were told about. So, you know, come on, see what we find. Hopefully it'll be some good stuff. Thanks. Dude, we're just stepping off the Divide Road. Not very far out past Middle Creek. So, never been here, we'll see. You know, this is real cool. We're probably not 150 yards from Kerry's truck. Walk right into this. Very cool. Whoops. Walk right into Kerry's shot. Just a little point right off the Divide Road. I mean, walk right around it. And we're just parked right there. Big stuff, folks. Sometimes you don't have to go very far to find some cool stuff. This is a hint for you. When you come through that little cut right there and top the ridge, Park Service boundary, which means probably this on the right hand side of the road is Hickory State Park still. I don't know for sure, but anyway, yeah, right here at this little washed out looking place. Head around that point right there. And this is coming from south to north. And we just park right there and walk right through there. Kilbear Arch. Let's see what the rest of the day holds for us. Okay, we stopped at that roadside grave, Grand Old Kid up on Peters Mountain Road, which we just came on that Divide Road. We're turned to the state line, we're turned to Peters Mountain, we're coming all the way down, and we're at Belfar right now. And this is Rock Creek. And Kerry's gonna show me he says a very unique grave, and I've never seen it, right up here on the hill. So I'm pumped to see that. So let's go find her. Old fencing from way back. Yeah, we're still within view of the road where we're parked. We'll walk right into a cemetery. You know, all these graves are short, meaning children. back when it was so long ago, all they could do is put old field stones up to mark the graves. And these are just being lost to time. That one may even have a carving in it. I'll get a picture of that here in a minute. Places like this are just sad. And right there are more rounded formed headstones. And that one there has some carvings on them. But this is the one Kerry brought me to see. Idea the name of this cemetery or the names of any of the families that might be interred here. Don't know. I'll have to go home and try to do a little research, but I'm sure it's in Robert Stevens' book of graves in McCreary County, Kentucky, which is a great resource of anybody searching for grave sites in McCreary County, Kentucky. Okay, we're gonna get back in Kerry's truck and head on down the road and look for the next adventure. Some of those stones there had carvings on them, but I'm not equipped to clean them up and see if I can make out a name or a date or anything. And if you don't really know what you're doing, you can do the stones more damage than good, so I'm just not going to do that. If anybody wants to go up and check that old cemetery out, and you can't really tell how many graves are there, but could be quite a few. There's a road coming down from Rattlesnake Ridge at Bell Farm, and there are the fields at Bell Farm. There's the bridge over Rock Creek. And here is this split in the road that takes a little creekside tour down through there where there are some homes and cabins and intersects with this lower Rock Creek Road again. So yeah, all you gotta do is park right here at the Bell Farm Horse Campsite and go right up there. You're right in the middle of it. We left Bell Farm, came about a mile up Rattlesnake Ridge Road to the Hickory Knob Church Road. Come out it a couple hundred yards and are gonna try to see Rattlesnake Arch. Another little couple hundred yard jaunt from the vehicle to the feature, and then we'll go on to something else. Yeah, this is crazy. That's Kerry's truck. $100 yards. Nice little arch. All right, we're gonna head back and get into our next little short adventure. But we drove another little over a mile like Hickory Knob Road. And we're gonna drop down into there. And for people who have never been out in here before, this is Hickory Knob Arch, and the road goes right over the top of it. We're gonna take this little drop down into it and get some pics here. Yep, that's the road. All right, Hickory Knob Arch. We're gonna head out to to our next adventure and see. So far, it's been pretty amazing. No more effort than we put in and what we've seen. But yeah, this right here, a natural bridge takes on kind of a different meaning. Take a picture of these out here at the old Hickory Knob Church, which honestly I never been out here. I didn't know it was a log church, which is very cool. But until they built the modern restrooms right there, you got the privilege of using these. That says women, that says men on this. I'm not going in them. Yeah, one more modern, well, a couple, electricity and air conditioning in the old log church. That just kind of don't seem like it should go together, but pretty cool. Good roof on it. I like it. All right, we visited old Hickory Knob Log Church. That is cool. So, on to the next. Okay, our next stop has brought us to Rock Creek, past Co-op in the old coal mining town, to look for an old abandoned bridge, railroad bridge across Rock Creek. It is over there and we can see something, so yeah, we're gonna get down, check it out. When I was young, and probably all the way up into the 1980s, Rock Creek looked like a warm soda. I mean, it was so polluted from sulfur and the mine water coming out of the mines and Cooperative and White Oak Junction. But it just does my heart some good to see all the work that the state of Kentucky put in to clean this water up. Now, look at that. Right over there is a slide. I don't know. Hopefully some beavers. Could be from river otters too, you know, coming off into the water. Man, life will return when you give it a chance. Yeah, another pretty cool thing to find, you know, right beside the road. And that would have been the railroad bridge at one time going up to White Oak Junction, Rock Creek, Cooperative. And those old railroad tracks ran all the way into Tennessee, so pretty cool to find. All right, Kerry and I turned in at Kilbear Hollow Road on the Beach Grove Road, and we're headed back toward Peters Mountain. See anything else or make any more stops, we'll make sure to get them on camera. Yeah, near Bear Claw Arch, we just stopped on a little side road and walked out it. I mean, 50 yards or less. You got a big, great big, huge rock house here, but it's filled with water, and that water looks, yeah, nasty. I mean, yeah, real bad. Nice area. We might walk around here and check it out for a minute or two. Yeah, in the springtime when you get the floods, this thing right here, look, that would be a small lake right around to the main part of this rock shelter. Pretty much like the rest of our day. Get out of the vehicle, see something pretty neat, and never really get out of sight of the vehicle. Okay, on to the next. And we've made our way back up to Peter's Mountain, and I always like to stop here at this sign and see how much more damage the bears have done to it, because you can see the claw marks. Sometimes there'll be some black hair in some of these cracks. But yeah, that's pretty new. That's pretty fresh and new. And all this is real fresh and new. That's not even wet. That's probably been this last day or two. Yeah, I don't know. Pretty cool. Bear scratching post. Hi guys. I can't hardly get a smile off my face. It's been such a good day. You know, here it is, December 16th, and although it's kind of cool, a little bit of wind, I'm out here in a t-shirt. You know. But anyway, yeah, I just talked to Kerry about a week ago about an old railroad bridge down near Yamacraw, an old abandoned one that I wanted to find, and we just started looking for stuff on maps, and Kerry had a few things he wanted to try to find, and we took the drive, which time I get back home will be well over 100 miles traveled. But anyway, everything we found today was within 200 yards of the road. So we just parked and walked out the stuff and came back. We found everything we wanted to find today, including being surprised by a couple things. The big rock house with the water under it, the old log church. Didn't expect that, didn't have any clue it was there. I mean, today surpassed what we thought it would be, and we thought it would be a good day. You know, so I hope you enjoy seeing what all we saw today, and come back for more, because hopefully we'll have more days like this. So it's Peppo in the Woods, and like I usually say, you guys keep watching them, I'll keep making them. So thanks a million, guys. See ya. Been a good day.